Hey everyone, welcome back to Widget Wisdom. And I'm super excited to announce something special for all the Flutter enthusiasts out there. Starting September 2nd, I'm launching a brand new Flutter course series that will take you from a beginner to a pro in just 30 days. This is going to be a comprehensive journey where you will learn everything you need to master Flutter step by step. Every week, I'll be rolling out 4 in-depth videos covering the most essential topics in Flutter. Whether you are just starting or looking to refine your skills, this series is designed to build your confidence and expertise in Flutter development. But that's not all. On the remaining 3 days of the week, we are going to dive into some exciting projects. We will be building stunning UIs, cloning popular apps like Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, and even tackling advanced topics like how isolates work in Flutter and how to efficiently use method channels. This isn't just about learning, it's about creating and pushing the boundaries of what you can do with Flutter. I cannot wait to see what you all create along with me. So, if you are excited as I am about this series, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And trust me, you are going to want to stick around because there is a lot of great content headed your way. Get ready for September 2nd because that's when the magic begins. Let's make something amazing together with Flutter. I cannot wait to see you in the first video.